This video profiles the refrigerator gap track which runs between Brox Road and Bluff Link track. Refrigerator gap track is a great track for inexperienced four-wheel drivers to have a bit of a go at. The grades are all really low, there's no obstacles to worry about. The track winds itself up the hill via a whole series of switchbacks. The track passes through some amazing vegetation, a lot of ferns. In places the track can become a little bit overgrown, as you can see here, but you can negotiate your way through without hitting up the branches. As you come up the hill, there's lots and lots of switchbacks, but they're all big open wide ones. There's no real difficulty getting through them. You can see by our vehicle speeds that the track's easy to drive. As you come up the hill, you start to get really nice views of the bluff, and if you sort of keep your eye on the top right hand side of the screen, you'll see the bluff appear in some of these videos. Here's the bluff there, you can just see it through the forest. There's some spectacular views of the bluff, we just didn't get it on video. The bluff is a spectacular geographic feature of the area, and I believe there is a walk that goes up through that area. One of the other features of this track is it is located in state forest, so it is not seasonally closed, and because some parts of the track are reasonably high, it does at times get quite snowed in, and so you can come up here on a good winter when there's lots of snow around, and you will be able to drive in the snow. And I've stuck some photos at the end of this video to show you what it looks like in the snow. So here we are approaching Bluff Link Road, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video.